Pottery we have many technological devices that have a complex operation.
A clear example is the operation of the microwave oven wheel. Have you ever wondered about how a microwave oven works, aren't you?
A microwave oven is an appliance used in the kitchen to cook or heat food that works by generating electromagnetic waves at the radiation frequency.
These were reached to 2450 MHz wave frequencies that are powerful enough to have thought and do not produce adverse health effects.
To emit these waves, a device called a magnetron is used along with this guide because without it, the electromagnetic waves that it emit will go everywhere.
In order for the food to be heated, it is necessary to have a stable wave resonance cavity that regularly made of materials such as steel. This element is responsibility for boosting the emitting waves to make the most of the emitted energy.
This coming is the reason why microwave oven is irregularly quadrangular because this is its basic shape, and thanks to this wave follow a position relationship without overlapping.
Electromagnetic waves head for food thanks to the fact that they are capable of causing the water molecules that are regularly found in all food to begin to vibrate, which triggers an emission of the heat that in turn causes the food.
These waves do not reach all parts of what we want to hit, but to hit it equally, there is a small rotating plate that redistributes the position of the food so that it receives an equal amount of heat in all arms.
These were big means of H1 server motor in the base of the microwave oven that moves a small system of gears that gives it movement.
To control DC elements, there is a control panel that allows us to select the time we want to heat and gives us time recommendation for certain meals.
While this works, the action of fans is necessary because the magnetron can overheat, and they also fuel the function of dissipating excess heat from it.
And this closes the explanation of the operation of the microwave oven.